Hello friends, in my last lecture we have seen communalism, and today we are going to start with casteism. See, now casteism is nothing but the conflict between two castes, that is the upper caste and the lower caste. Now see, this casteism prevails more in northern India, so these caste conflicts are also seen in northern India as a major things. Now under the pretext of upliftment of certain backward class, the political parties, certain political leaders and political parties are saying that they would work for the upliftment of the backward class, but they are actually playing with the sentiments of backward class and they do nothing for the backward class. Instead, what do is they have certain political and selfish motives. For that, they are saying that they will work for the backward class. Now see, no doubt the government has played a vital role here, and government has made various provision for the upliftment of backward class, such as reservation in jobs, free education, then even reservations you can say for the seats in state legislature, then reservation of seats in schools and colleges for backward class. These are the things, these are the provisions which are made by the government. But actually these backward class people are not able to avail these facilities. Majority of backward class are not able to avail these facilities. Now we will see what are the consequences of casteism. First one is, it creates lawlessness and disorder in society. Second, backward class are denied the privileges by upper caste. Then women and children of backward class are exploited. Then children of backward class generally migrate to urban areas. Then small and marginal farmers belonging to backward class are denied loans from bank or bank loans by officials of bank belonging to upper caste. Lower caste still lives in destitute. lower caste lose their life and property because of this caste conflict. So these are some of the consequences which take place due to casteism. Now in the next lecture we will see you can say linguism and regionalism. Thank you.